Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on euro currency. And despite it was a holiday in the United States, the forex never sleeps. So you can see that Europe and Asia were trading, and actually setup that we discussed yesterday mostly has been completed. So market indeed is coming closer to the 106 area as we suggested, and now we're start monitoring directly the pattern that stands on a 4-hour time frame chart. I'm speaking, as you understand, about this reverse hand and shoulders pattern. So the same pattern we have actually on other assets as well. So it's dollar index on the 10-year bonds, if you will take a look at it. And in fact, this pattern is interesting to us not just because of the possible deep retracement, but even in terms of the failure. So we will be happy in anyway, whether it will start working or it will fail, because both scenarios are relatively clear, and we will understand what to do next. In the case of upward direction, we will get the kind of the ABCD, right? There's somewhere to 106.70, 107 area. This will be kind of the agreement resistance. This market will go. If hand short starts failing, 99% that here we will get the butterfly to the downside. It's very often happens, especially in the latest turn. So that's in general how our trading plan looks like. If you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, here's what we have. So yesterday we were at this point. So after minor retracement and retesting of this support resistance line right there, natural. First was support, then it's become resistance. Now again the support. Market keep going higher. So in fact, neckline has been touched and completed. And currently we are mostly interested with the pullback and watching for areas where potentially right arm might be formed. We're interested with it in 2 moments. First of all, it gives us really great chance to take the position with a very small risk initially, at least to consider initially the long position. In case of the failure, and if market will not keep going higher, that will be clear signal that we should be prepared for reversal and downside action. So as you understand, the bottom of the right arm as usual will be the culmination point for this setup. Today I do not see many things to do. So on the hourly chart, we are watching still for price performance. And today probably it will be interesting whether the market will be able to complete the target. Just because, although by the overall shape we have the pattern in place, or better to say, so head has completed and stands in place right now. But some nuance existed around the hourly chart setup. So we have the ABCD pattern of this head, which is OP 10620, has not been touched totally, but it stands in an area to possible reaching from the extensions, 1618 extension and most recent retracement. So today probably we could watch what will happen, this market will complete it or not, but for daily time frame and for our time frame setup where we're considering the hourly chart, this is really not big information because we have no intention to take the short position. We're watching for a retracement. Initially it will be around 104.95, so it's 105 area. It's probably 50% level here, 104.57, 104.60 is also might be interesting. 104.33, 618 will be not as interesting because it will be too deep and not very harmonic to the shape pattern that we have. But we will see what will happen. That's actually primary object to watch if you trade on a daily and hourly 4-hour time frame chart. If you trade on intraday charts, hourly chart and below, you theoretically could try and see what will happen here. maybe it will be some bearish setup, and you could try to take the position with the downside continuation and forming of the right arm. This is potential scalp trade setup for today's session. So chances for that are not bad actually, because you can see it's upper direction here. It's not really very straightforward. It's a bit choppy. And lots of pullbacks here, overlapping swings. So to be honest, guys, this is not really good shape for reversal bullish, reversal pattern. And it most stands in favor of possible failure. So chances for the failure here is a bit higher than in the common hand shorters when you have fast upper direction on the slope of the right slope of the head. So that's into what we have. Your scalp trader, you could watch for bearish stops right here around 106.20 area once the OP will be completed. For others who trade on higher time frames, we just sit in the hands and wait for a pullback and start watching for levels, monitoring how market will respond to them and where better will be to take the position. But this probably will happen already on the next week.